Are you confused about when D is pronounced or when D is silent? Let's clear this today. The phonic sound of D is D, like dark, day, dress, danger. In these words, D is pronounced as a D. But when D and G come together, they make the sound J, like judge, edge, bridge. There are some words in which D is silent, but there is no fixed rule for them, like sandwich, not sandwich, Wednesday, not Wednesday, handsome, not handsome. If you learned something new today, subscribe to Fulari Little Speakers, and I will see you in the next one class.